So it's so crazy that we met each other, both being Southern girls. So where are you from and what made you come here?
I'm originally from South Carolina, like you. I currently live in North Carolina, and I had a girlfriend that lived in Canada, and she hated the cold, and she wanted to come for 6 months. And so I said, well, you know what? We both work from home. We can do that. And I fell in love. The moment I got off the airplane, I felt the vibe, right? I would normally be like totally nervous because here I am in a foreign country. I don't speak the language. I know somebody's got a car coming for me, but I don't know where to go. And there's all these people around trying to get you to take a taxi and all that stuff. And I would normally be like, no, totally calm because there's a vibe here that you cannot explain. And I love it here. Plus, I don't like the cold either.
Same, same.
So what brought you here?
A business. So I realized that, I've been a travel agent in the United States and I book a lot of people in Dominican Republic. But as we were talked about before, everyone was so concerned about safety. So when I had the opportunity here from this dear girl and we moved over in December, I think a lot of people knowing that I'm here, they feel very connected knowing that I'm here. I'm their travel agent. I live here. If you have any problems, you call me. I can be there in a few minutes.
There's a lot to be said for boots on the ground.
There really is. So I think that just brings that safety factor for people, knowing that I'm here for them and that I live here every day. So that's a big thing for me.
Right. And the resorts back and front. Yeah.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
So that family that wants a family-oriented one or that couple that wants no kids around, you can find them what they need.
I do. I'm in the resorts a lot. Sales managers, I have everybody's WhatsApp phone number, everybody's emails. So it's really nice.
Yeah.
And it's warm. And I got a beach. I get to swim all the time. We have a great life.
Entonces, Xiara, eres dominicana, pero no eres de esta zona. ¿Qué te trajo aquí?
Yo soy dominicana, vivo aquí, vine con Dan vamos a tener aproximadamente un año y vinimos aquí con la oportunidad de crear este negocio de que se llama Passport in Paradise, donde queremos más que todo, yo como dominicana, enseñarle a los demás, a los turistas, personas que vienen a visitar aquí, la belleza de nuestro país. Y también no solamente esta parte de Punta Cana, sino hacer tour fuera también como en otras partes, de donde soy, también de Barahona, que tenemos mucha belleza, hay demasiadas cosas lindas aquí que ver, que hacer, y para que vengan y disfruten y pasen unas vacaciones maravillosas.